entrepreneurs, business owners, and inventory managers. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into tools and tips that transform your business operations. Today, we're spotlighting a game changer in inventory management, the Inflow Inventory Management app. Whether you're struggling with stock control, order fulfillment, or simply want to streamline your inventory processes, this tutorial is your first step towards mastery. Let's unlock the full potential of Inflow together. Inflow Inventory is designed with small businesses in mind, offering a comprehensive solution to track products, sales, and purchase orders with ease. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make inventory management a breeze, from barcode scanning to detailed reporting. Now, talking about its features, let's delve into its software features, hardware compatibility, and additional aspects that make Inflow a popular choice for businesses looking to optimize their inventory process. Inventory control. It keeps tabs on stock levels, costs, and locations, supports serialization and batch tracking for detailed inventory control. Inflow manage products with different variants and bundle products for sale. It helps to simplify the creation of purchase orders and sales orders, allowing for easy tracking for issuance to fulfillment. And generate invoices directly from sales order and repay, reporting partial payments and tracking outstanding balances. Not only that, it accesses a variety of reports for insight into sales, inventory levels, profit margins, and more. Customizable options are available to fit specific business needs. And its dashboards is a user-friendly dashboard presents key metrics and insights at a glance, helping in making informed decisions. Inflow supports barcode scanning for product identification, inventory counts, and order processing, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. The system is compatible with most USB and Bluetooth barcode scanners. Printers are compatible with standard label printers for printing barcodes and shipping labels, facilitating smooth logistic and inventory labeling processes. The Inflow mobile app extends the functionality of the application to smartphones and tablets. It's available for iOS and Android devices, turning them into powerful tools for inventory management, including mobile barcode scanning. Now, talking about pricing structure of Inflow Inventory, it offers a tiered pricing structure to accommodate sizes and requirements, including a free tier with basic features for very small businesses or those just starting out. As businesses grow, they can opt for higher tiers that can offer additional features, users, and support levels. In conclusion, Inflow Inventory stands out as a versatile inventory management solution, offering a range of features that cater to the diverse needs of small and medium-sized businesses. Its flexibility in terms of software development, hardware compatibility, and the ability to integrate with other business tools makes it a compelling option for businesses looking to streamline their inventory and order management processes. And to try out the inflow management application, you can simply try out the free trial for 14 days. And that's a wrap on our Inflow Inventory Management application. Whether you're a small retail shop or growing e-commerce brand, Inflow has the tools you need to keep your inventory in check,